Alright, so let's review this proof of concept. This application is deployed in Brussels and the name is Vanilla TS to do. So basically, it's a very basic web app related to how to manage our daily task. So I can add one activity clicking on this add button. Also, there is an event, a listener event that allow us to add a new task hitting enter. All right. Also, the application update the status of each task clicking on any label. Of course, this is a different listener, and I also can delete a task. Okay, so at the end I have a counter of how many tasks I have in my list and how many of them are in a status of complete. So basically, that's all. If we want to talk about the main files in this application, I can mention the next one. So this is the first one. This is the type that we are using. Basically, a to do is has three properties. Also, I'm using Tailwind to manage the UI, and I have my own personal styles. Okay. All right. So the main TS files is in charge of the business logic. Okay. This application does not use a backend. Okay, so all the information is in memory. So for example, this object is in charge to manage the available to-dos. We have a couple of more objects in order to manage different event, like a to-do using a button. Okay, what else? This function is in charge to update the list of tasks. Okay, this function is in charge to change the status of each task, and this other one manages the delete workflow. This is one of the most important method because it is in charge to update the DOM anytime it is necessary. And of course, our index.html, that it is like the scaffold of the front end. Okay, so basically, this is an HTML files. Inside the source directory, uh, it is the path of most of the important um, files of the application, and index.html is outside the source folder. So to wrap this up, these files are the config files in charge to manage our project using Tailwind. Okay, and you can run the application from your terminals using the package manager yarn in this case, and using the command yarn there. Okay, so for example, this script is to generate the CSS files in case you need to. So that's all for this video, and perhaps in the next one we may talk about how to improve this application, or maybe using a different technology. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.